Fuck, 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 fuck. Thank you for your unnecessary emergency stop. Fuck it out. Nutty. Squash my leg against the car for a laugh. That's a bit of a dickhead thing to do. Oh well. There we go, running the gauntlet. You are now entering the A10 gauntlet. Please have your wits about you and keep your eyes peeled for pedestrians. The only place you probably won't see pedestrians is on the fucking pedestrian crossing. Whoop, whoop, boop, 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 boop. Pick a lane, pick a lane. That one, you want that one? You want that one? You want that fucking lane? I want that fucking lane. I go in this lane now, because then I can go in the bus lane and you can't. Hey, the hell is this? Oh, this is new. Oh, okay, not really liking this much. Shockingly, that wasn't free reign for you, mate. Oh, got a crick in my neck. Go! And me. Here it comes. Get ready to die. Get ready to die. You're right up my arse. So glad I didn't stop there. Yeah, you back off. Go, 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 go. He's such a bad boy. He's a dirty bad boy. Oh, come on.